Hey everyone, it's 2:38. I just want to give you a brief update on two trades. The chart on the screen is the coffee. As you can see, it has extended further. I still think it has a problem up here around 198, but the reason that I'm mentioning it is because I've had a couple of questions about the position that we put on in JO, which is the coffee ETF, and it's in the area that the coffee needs to get to. Um, it's also, let me add something here just so that you can see what I'm looking at. Here's the Bollinger Bands, and it's up to the top Bollinger Band as well as the 50-week moving average, as well as the 100-week moving average. So if you're not going to wait for it to get back down and do a little building between 51 and, let's call it 54 before making another move up, you should probably be out of it. Okay, the other one is the position that we put on in copper this morning. I really like the copper. I've already shared the chart. I'm going to share it again. Here we go. On the weekly, we have a clear break, a flag to the upside, doesn't run into, it's nowhere near the lower Bollinger Band, but it's on this trend line. It's broken out, and the upper Bollinger Band doesn't come in until about 437. Okay, and right now we're 421. Because we didn't get the opportunity to get in on any kind of a decline this morning with the rest of the market, you can see this is the daily. Get rid of this. We're basically in the same thing, except that on a daily basis, the upper Bollinger Band is right around 429.40 is the actual number. But as you can see, we've turned well to the upside. Let me get rid of that so that you can see this better. Okay, we've already had the 5-day come right to the downsloping 10-day. We're way up here. I was concerned about risk. So what we did was we put on a CPER 2527. The reason that I chose that is because it gives us some leeway. And right now, although we paid 75 cents for those $2 spreads, that's a little higher than I like to go on the spreads. We're also 50 cents in the money. And so, we're long something with a delta of 64 on the upside, and we're short something with a 23 delta on the short side. So, I think that if we move back towards these highs in the next day or two, I'm going to guess that we'll probably be able to take, a buck and a half or $2. I really didn't want to miss it, but I also didn't want the risk because basically the risk is back to 402 in that area. And frankly, even a very small position would have been too risky. All right, everyone, have a good day. I'll be back later with the closing.